cows are confused because we've messed the rotation up, haven't we? Oh yeah. They're not coming, I don't think. Nazareth, you need to get your herd. Oh yeah, it's just terrible. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, and hopefully. Yeah, hopefully we do. It's much cooler today, isn't it? So that's. Oh, I don't know if he likes it, don't he?
No.
He spit the cantaloupe
What about a piece of watermelon? You like watermelon better than cantaloupe? Eat the watermelon, but then cantaloupe.
Yeah, cut up some bite-sized pieces of cantaloupe and watermelon for him.
Piece of watermelon? Nope.
He just likes treats, apparently.
A treat?
Nazareth, I can't believe you didn't bring the cows back here.
Go back here.
I think he's wondering where the cows is at.
So even though we have no grass still because we've had no rain, we're moving the cows to the back. They seem more content if we move them, even though we're just moving them to another empty lot. They've been out of this lot week and a half maybe, I don't even know. It's growed none. I think we've had 0.12 of an inch all this month of June of rain. Calling for some tonight, so hopefully we can get some. But
and today's the what? The 29th?
29th, I think. It's towards the end of the month. And we're... Oh, here comes the girls, and I'll go get them a roll of hay after they're all back here and content. And so they'll have something to eat. And here's little Squeaky.
Squeaky. I bet Charlotte right here will want some trees.
She coming on my side?
Yes. I think that's Charlotte, isn't it?
What are you doing, Charlotte?
I can tell Charlotte, she prances.
She don't want that.
She wants.
Bella?
I don't know what's got into them where they don't like, they used to love watermelon and cantaloupe. I was just going to shake a bunch of those out for them, so maybe they won't. They're not even, they're walking right past it. So weird. Oh, probably.
Can we them few or no?
Is that down there fighting? Somebody's fighting right there. Yeah, this is very depressing. Been out of here over a week. No grass. And here comes Bella chasing us. Hey, look at Bella. She has chased us all the way up here. Oh. Tony had to shut the gate because we've got to go get the tractor. You want to give her a treat? Okay. Yeah, he's going to give her a couple of treats. Oh, she's not happy. Yeah, I don't know what has gotten into Bella, the way how she's been acting here lately.
We'll be back in a minute, Bella.
Can you believe she chased the whole length of that field?
Pretty bad.
Poor Bella.
We'll go ahead and switch the water so we don't forget it right now.
Yes. Tony's just checking the water where it's been so dry, making sure that they have water, and they do. Said it's been a long time since it's been that dry in there. Usually that's a mud hole.
Tubs look real good.
Yep. And both of the tubs are full. There is the best breeze today. It feels so good. So much better than it has been. If we could only get some rain now, then that would be perfect. Because if we have to keep feeding hay every day, we're going to be out by the winter time. And Tony said that it would be hard to buy hay because everyone's hay's short, so I don't know what we'll do. So I'll take this back to the girls. She eating that?
Nope.
Charlotte, you're crazy.
There's somebody that eat it. Some's eating grass, some's eating hay.
Look how pretty the sky looks today.
It is pretty stuff. I hope that is a precursor for rain. Look at those babies that come down here if they see us sitting down here. Hey girl.
Yeah, I like how you can see the white in her, around her eyes, don't you? Izzy's so pretty.
Good girl.
She is a good girl.
Scared as she used to be, I never figured that she'd.
That just shows what these treats can do.
Here comes big brown girl. Does she ever eat a treat?
No, not for me, she ain't. See, she's nosy. She wants one, probably. Let's throw her out one. Yeah. Did she see it?
No. She looked down. I think she's seen it. I just don't think she's going to eat it.
No, she's looking down. They know about them. Oh, is this little Rose or Phoebe coming right
Nope.
here? Now, I've noticed 17's little girl. Sophie's little girl. Oh, who's over there? That, this one over here.
I think it's easy.
17's little girl is real curious. These poor cows.
Look at that callus she's wore on her chin from eating grass.
Oh, callus from eating grass. Who is that?
When that's that red brown calf's mama.
Weird.
Lays a little grass up here.
Very little grass.
Yeah, but they little grass, but they seem to like that hay better than this. Maybe there ain't no taste in it when it's
So dry. These cows are enjoying the hay. Here's this coming right here.
pig number 2, 11.
That one needs some flight control. Phoebe is her name. And the bull's coming in behind you. Oh, you didn't even give her a Phoebe.
One, 2.
Oh, 11 usually acted crazy when you put it on her.
Yeah, Woolie's not gone.
Good.
Whole Bella.
Oh my goodness. Bella.
Poor little Bella. Come in the shade, Bella, if you're gonna do this.
I'm sure she'll follow you.
Is she?
Oh, Charlotte. Now, they could go in those woods and cool down, right?
I bet they will. And they go. They'll go in the shade early morning. And Charlotte, you ain't gonna follow us around, are you?
Yeah, I think she is.
Sure, let me cut this off.
We'll give her another one. Charlotte, I think you've had about enough.
I mean, you drop both off. You're acting silly, Bella.
Uh-oh, who's she doing that to?
think
Nazareth? Yes. Bella, you can't do that to Nazareth. Oh, Bella. There ain't no wonder he kicks at him, is there? Gosh, she just acts like she can't get enough to
You have
eat.
had enough.
Well, I guess we'll get to the house because we can't just sit and watch them because of Charlotte and Bella. And I guess what are we going to do tomorrow?
I don't
We're going
know.
to move them or?
I don't have a clue.